2019 Volkswagen Atlas 3.6 liters V6 SE with technology VW certified, service record available, factory maintenance up to date, rear backup camera, Bluetooth hands-free, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, USB port, lane monitor alert, premium sound, power liftgate, remote engine start, third row seating, adaptive cruise control, 8 speakers, air conditioning, front dual zone AC, power driver seat, power windows, radio data system, radio, composition media 8.0 touchscreen, rear air conditioning, rear window defroster, remote CD player, roof rack, rails only, spoiler, turn signal indicator mirrors. Recent arrival. Certified. Your safety is our top priority. We are constantly sanitizing our offices, showroom, etc. Our delivery drivers will sanitize the vehicle before taking it to you. Drivers will wear a mask and gloves and will re-sanitize the vehicle before exiting. Any remaining paperwork will be carefully handled and delivered to the customer for completion, all while maintaining a safe social distance of at least 6 feet. If you require additional safeguards, please reach out to our team. Contact us at in-store at 770-729-4827 or online at www.heritagevolkswagen.com and see how easy it is to buy a vehicle at Heritage Volkswagen.